County ma Tana River medo yudo pek kaluwore kod Koth El Nino makoro oywero thoth gwenge makono. Gavana ma county no Dhadho Godana owacho ni atamalo maduong' mar county no sani nitiere bwo pi koting'o peini ma koth osebedo ka ketho. Momiyo giyudo pek mar chiemo mar kony bende bedo negi matek. Owacho ni apaya maduong' mag bombe mag Hola, Bura, Ijara kod Garissa bende sani okethre ma ok kalre. Mayo miyo jo ohala gi jodak pek ka giywago nok mar chiemo, yedhe e kinde mwandu mamoko mochuno.
We are actually getting overwhelmed 2 weeks after the rains began because now almost the whole of Tana is affected. We have a very big population, of course, displaced, so we have so many IDP camps all over. What we are happy a bit that now we received money today. Actually, disbursement has been done today. Around the 10 billion money the government is talking about. What we have gotten as a county is 557 million, which we have to use in the different vote heads, including emergency pay, the DRM contractors and the rest of them. What we are now paying for emergency is 32 million. That's what we have in the system. Even if we say we are expanding it, then it means the more we expand, we are exhausting. We cannot be able to react to anything after we exhaust. So probably now up to early December or up to December, we can be able to react to this situation.
Barabara zote kuingia Tana River kwa jumla zote saizi hazifiki. Mlisikia vile nizungumza kwamba barabara imekatika, na hofu zaidi ambayo tuko nayo saizi ni kuhusu vyakula kuingia.
Na pia we are appealing to the national government na well wishers waje hapa tuungane mikono tuweze kusaidia wale watu ambao wako huko ambao wamehadhirika na mafuriko.